Hey boo babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Deja Vu. What's up? But yeah, today we're gonna be doing a little experiment. I'm about to take my hair out and I'm gonna dye my roots of my natural fur hair. Yeah, I'm a little scared. I ain't never done it. I dyed my hair like one time. That was like years ago, but it wasn't my roots and my hair wasn't already dyed. So y'all, we gonna do a little experiment or whatever. So I need to go to the beauty supply store and get my dye and everything. I need to take this down my head now. I'm actually getting my hair straight tomorrow. So yeah, I'm about to get this hair right or whatever. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I gotta go to the store. Should I vlog in the store? I might. But I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, I'm in the store looking to see. Y'all, so yeah, it's like 9 o'clock. I'm just not getting started on my hair. I got somewhere to be at 10 o'clock in the morning. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I just now started taking my hair on, and hopefully this gonna take all night. So I'm about to take my hair out, and yeah, then I got my dye and stuff, so I'll get this cracking. But alright. I got my hair out. I'm about to take these braids out. Okay, don't want my edges because I'm be cute. So as I finish each braid, I'm going to detangle them and stuff. And somebody, I heard that it was better to dye your hair while it was dirty. So we're gonna try that. Well, I'm gonna look it up first and then we gonna see, but I think I'm gonna do that because I don't want to. I think I'm gonna try to like wet this and get all this glue on my edges and do that because I don't really want to be up all night doing my hair, and I think that would be best. So just detangle when I get done with each braid. And I hope y'all had good holidays. Christmas just passed, and our New Year's is this Friday. Y'all probably be seeing this video in 2022. So happy New Year, y'all. And I hope y'all had a good 2021. And 2022 is gonna be even better because it's more blessings and more abundance and more everything. So yeah, I'm excited for the new year. New year, y'all. Very excited. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 200. We're almost there to 200. Then we're gonna be on the road to 300. And yeah. Alright, so y'all got my box dyes. Thumbnail. Before. So this is how my hair is looking. So as y'all can see, like, it's a lot of black up here and everything. I got 4 boxes. I got the light golden blonde and the honey blonde. And I also got this toner beige blonde, but I don't know if I'm gonna use this because I've never used no toner before. And I don't know how that's gonna work. So yeah, I really got like 3 different colors for real. I got lightest blonde, golden blonde, and honey blonde. So like, yeah, we kind of just winging it. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything up. Conditioner come in there. Then it come with the heavy light boost powder with the 30 volume cream developer and the color stuff. So I'm just go ahead and mix everything up. I'm gonna go get some scissors. Alright, so I got my scissors, about to put this powder in them. So I think I'm gonna stick to the lightest ones, like in the blonde. I mean in the back, to keep, because I think I'm gonna put the honey blonde like on my roots in the front to keep my edges from being so light. Okay, so since I got 1 box of this lightest blonde color, I'm gonna use like half the bottle on one section in the back and half the bottle on the other section in the back. So, oh yeah, I'm so scared. All right. I didn't even cut the tip off. Oh, yeah. Why I gotta do that to me? All right, it was nothing. I'm sorry I'm starting on this side so y'all can't really see, but I'll fast forward through this side and then y'all can really see on this side. Alright, so now I'm going in with the lightest blonde. Or the light golden blonde. And I'm just going to put that. See, my roots is definitely taking faster than the rest of like the roots up here and stuff. Like around my edges is definitely taking. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to let this sit. And I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. So this is how we looking right now. And I think we looking pretty good or whatever. My roots, like my edges and stuff, did turn pretty light. Everything. But I think we looking good. I'm finna rinse this out. Got my Neutralizing shampoo. I got this hair mask with avocado in it. I got another hair mask with Design Essentials. And I'm gonna use these conditioners that they put in the packs. And I'm also probably gonna mix up my own little concoction or whatever, just to make sure my hair doesn't get damaged and be dry and stuff. But yeah, I'll let this sit for about like 25-30 minutes. And yeah, I think I feel pretty good. But we're gonna see, because I do get my hair flat ironed tomorrow. So we're gonna see. We definitely is going to see. Alright, y'all, be back. So this is the final result after I just washed it out and shampoo and everything. So I'll also put everything in the description of what I used, everything. I used the Carol's Daughter shampoo and a Neutralizing shampoo. And I showed y'all, I believe I showed y'all the conditioners that I used. But yeah, this is what we looking like. And right now I just got some conditioner sitting. And I did tell y'all I'm going to get my hair straight tomorrow. So I will show y'all what my hair look like after straightening and everything. And yeah, we going into the new year looking good. We're going into the new year looking good. It is a few pieces like I know y'all see that. I might be tripping, but yeah, like this little piece right here didn't really take, but it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Could add some to it, but I don't want to keep adding down my hair. It's straight. I ain't tripping about it. But yeah, curls is looking good. Curls is still popping. Y'all, this is not my hair the day I got it straightened. Okay, it's actually like a few days later, and I'm gonna insert some clips of my hair when it was freshly done and everything. And y'all, like, I just totally forgot. I didn't even forget, to be honest, but I just never made the outro to the video. Never showed y'all my hair, but I'm gonna insert some clips for y'all. And yeah, y'all, it's 2022. We going up this year. More videos, more everything. I got a lot of content coming for y'all. A lot of things in mind that I want to do for my YouTube channel, everything. So y'all stay tuned, and y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, everything. I'll see y'all later, boo babes.